Okay, let's try the new CRS3500 MKIV. Oh no, oh no. Welcome to the Sun Lakes Model Airplane Club.
Let's see this amazing invention.
High technology frisbee. It was this or a pizza?
Juan putting his PhD into this technology.
Perfect. Dualsky currently offers two contra-rotating systems, the CRS3000 and the CRS3500, with the main difference simply being the available motor power. Personally, I think that the CRS3000 is an outstanding system. It has enough power to comfortably fly everything from P schedules all the way to F schedules, and for many pilots that's more than enough. That being said, modern F3A keeps evolving. Airplanes are becoming bigger, especially the latest generations of biplanes, and today's F schedules and unknown programs include long knife-edge sections and demanding high-energy maneuvers where having extra power is always welcome. Today, all my competition biplanes are powered by the CRS3500, and they've been flying here in Arizona under extreme summer temperatures with excellent performance. With the MK4, Dualsky hasn't tried to change the way the system flies. Instead, they have refined an already proven platform by improving several mechanical details, making it even more robust for long-term competition use. To put the MK4 to the test, I installed it in my BJCraft Ultimate BiSide. Out of the current BJCraft biplanes, I personally feel the BiSide has a slightly more drag than the others. That's actually one of its strengths because it naturally helps maintain speed and positioning, but depending on the maneuver and the weather conditions, you definitely appreciate having that extra power reserve of the CRS3500. I've also been really enjoying flying the BiSide again with the new P27 and the F27 schedules. It's incredibly forgiving, combining the advantages of a biplane with much of the neutrality and easy handling of a monoplane. The rear canopy gives a fantastic rudder feel, and I honestly think it's a great choice for your first biplane all the way to F schedules and unknown programs. Installing the MK4 couldn't be easier. The mounting pattern is exactly the same as the previous CRS3500, so replacing one with the other is straightforward. Everything lines up perfectly, and the updated propeller holder is a nice mechanical refinement while remaining very easy to assemble and disassemble. And this is very important that you bring it always with you. This is the two screws to use to extract the propeller holder, and then this little piece that holds the propeller holder now. You have a spare, and the fact that Dualsky is giving you a spare is because it's very easy to lose it whenever you are installing it in the field. So just keep it with you all the time with the screws of your airplane, and everything is going to be fine. For this setup, I'm using the Dualsky Summit 100 HV together with Falcon propellers. I'm still flying without a governor. After more than 20 years flying F3A this way, I'm simply very comfortable managing the throttle myself. It's a personal preference, and that's exactly why Dualsky offers both options.
With a snapper.
For propellers, I'm using the Falcon 2320s front and rear, which have become my favorite combination for the Ultimate BiSide. They give the airplane that locked feeling at medium and lower speeds while keeping it extremely responsive in all conditions.
A lot of power. Here a lot of braking. 2, 3.
So how does the MK4 feel in the air? Well, exactly as expected. The power delivery is exactly what I already love from the CRS3500 MK3. Strong, smooth, predictable, with excellent braking and great consistency throughout the entire flight. The mechanical refinements don't really change how the airplane flies, and honestly, I think that's exactly how it should be. The CRS3500 was already an outstanding system. The MK4 simply makes an already proven platform even better prepared for years of competition flight. Overall, the new CRS3500 MK4 is exactly what I expected it to be. Same proven power with refined mechanics. The MK3 has now been replaced entirely for the MK4, so every new CRS3500 order from now on will be this latest version. As always, it's available through rombautrc.com together with the Falcon propellers, BJCraft aircraft and the complete Dualsky lineup. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.
One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I love this BiSide. And